General questions at the airport.
Check-in, security. Where can I check in?
The check-in counters are to your left.
What time does the check-in open?
Check-in opens 3 hours before departure.
Can I check in online?
Yes, you can check in online up to 24 hours before your flight.
Where is the baggage drop-off?
It's just past the check-in counters.
How much luggage am I allowed?
You can check in one bag up to 23 kilograms and bring a carry-on bag.
What should I do if my bag is overweight?
You'll need to pay an excess baggage fee or remove some items.
Where is the security check?
It's down the hallway and to the right.
Can I bring liquids in my carry-on?
Yes, but each container must be under 100 milliliters and fit in a clear plastic bag.
Do I need to take off my shoes at security?
Yes, please remove your shoes and place them in the bin.
Where is my boarding gate?
Check the departure screens for your gate number.
Check-in counter. Can I have a window seat, please?
Sure, I'll assign you a window seat.
Is my flight on time?
Yes, your flight is on schedule.
Can I check in 2 bags?
Yes, but you may need to pay for the second bag.
Where do I get my boarding pass?
You'll receive it after check-in.
Can I choose my seat?
Yes, you can select your seat during check-in.
Do I need to show my passport?
Yes, please present your passport and ticket.
What's the weight limit for checked baggage?
It's 23 kilograms per bag.
Is there a fee for excess baggage?
Yes, it's $50 per additional kilogram.
Can I upgrade my ticket?
You can check with our customer service desk.
Where can I find my flight information?
It's printed on your boarding pass.
May I see your passport?
Here it is.
What is the purpose of your visit?
I'm here for tourism.
How long will you be staying?
I'll be staying for 2 weeks.
Where will you be staying?
I'll be staying at the Hilton Hotel.
Do you have a return ticket?
Yes, here's my return ticket.
Are you traveling alone?
No, I'm traveling with my family.
Have you visited this country before?
No, this is my first time.
Do you have travel insurance?
Yes, here's my policy document.
What's in your bag?
Just clothes, toiletries, and some books.
Do you have anything to declare?
No, I don't.
At the boarding gate.
Is my flight boarding yet?
Not yet. Please wait until your group is called.
Where's the boarding gate for Flight 567?
It's gate 12 down the corridor.
Can I board with my family?
Yes, families with small children can board first.
Do I need to show my boarding pass again?
Yes, please have it ready for scanning.
How long does boarding take?
Boarding usually takes about 30 minutes.
Can I bring my carry-on and a handbag?
Yes, as long as both fit within the size limits.
Is the flight delayed?
No, it's on time.
What should I do if I miss my flight?
Visit the customer service desk for rebooking options.
Can I change my seat at the gate?
Yes, ask the gate agent for assistance.
Is there a priority boarding line?
Yes, for first class and business class passengers.
In-flight questions.
Where is my seat?
It's in row 15, seat A.
Can I get a blanket?
Of course, here you go.
How long is the flight?
The flight duration is 6 hours.
Is there Wi-Fi on this flight?
Yes, you can purchase Wi-Fi access.
What meals are being served?
We have chicken, pasta, and a vegetarian option.
Can I get something to drink?
Sure, we have water, soda, and juice.
Is there an entertainment system?
Yes, you can watch movies or listen to music on the screen in front of you.
Can I switch seats with my friend?
Yes, as long as it's the same class of service.
Where is the restroom?
It's at the back of the plane.
What time will we land?
We're expected to land at 5:30 p.m. local time.